Hello, welcome to another episode of Lucid Concrete Services. And today I'm doing some steps. They're about 9 feet tall and a bit hard to walk up for the residents here. So I'm gonna put some concrete over top and make a nice even 6-inch riser. So it's a lot easier to step up these steps for them. You see I marked down 6 inches to here. So we got a 6-inch step, down 6 inches. And I measured basically level across and down 6 inches, which gets us about here. So I'll have here, first one 6 inches, over to here, 6 inches, over to here, 6 inches. You can see here I washed the steps. I put a bunch of adhesive on there to make sure it sticks. I drilled a couple holes in that I'm gonna put the rebar in to make it sure it's good and attached. All right, now I'm gonna put up some forms. All right, I've cut one of the face forms here for the step to the right size. And now I'm just gonna put a beveled edge on it. You wanna cut an angle from the inside face of the stair out so you can get your trowel right up in the corner of the stair and make sure you can reach all the concrete so it has a nice finish. All right, I've got it marked out here. This is going to be the nice side of the board. The concrete's going to go against here, and I'll be able to get the trowel in right here underneath to that corner. Saw tilted, the right angle. All right, so I'm going to secure the bottom form in here. I'm going to drill in this piece into the concrete, this drill, and then use a nail and some tie wire to secure it down to hold this bottom form in. All right, now that I got the bottom one all secured in to the concrete, I use this brace here, other way, and I've got that to hold this one in here. Solid. Should hold. All right, rebar's all in, formed up, time to do the concrete. I'm actually using hot water from inside the house to mix the concrete just to help it set up a bit quicker because it is cooler out. It is February weather right now, so that'll help the concrete set up quicker, gain that strength in the cold weather. All right, I've got 2 buckets mixed up, just 2 bags. Good consistency here. Forming. All right, we got 4 bags done. There's probably 2.5 more bags-ish. It'll be full. Got it edged. I just gave it a quick trowel. All right, stairs are set up enough now. This bag mix kind of takes forever, even with the hot water set up in this cold ass temperatures. But yeah, it's just about ready to broom now. And now I'm gonna come back tomorrow and strip the forms off and clean up anything I need to clean up. And yeah, she'll be all done. All right, let's take these forms off. Give the front a little sponge just to clean it up a bit. All right, she's all done, broomed. I got the railing put back in, and it'll be easier stepping up for these homeowners. See you next time.